Guys, I'm your quick tech buddy, and in this video I'll unbox this 1 by Wacom tablet. So let's start our video after this short. Before unboxing it, let's take a look at the back of this box. So the back of this box has some instructions that how to install it. The system requirements are Windows 7 or later, OS X 10.10 or later, the standard USB Type A port, internet access to download driver for tablet to work. So this model is CTL 472 and here are some trademark by Wacom. So let's unbox it. So I think here is another box which contains the tablet. So let's open this box. So here is the tablet. I think we should keep this aside for a minute. Here are some manuals that how to download and some instructions. And this is the lead which is used for writing and this is the lead remover. Here is the USB cable. And this is the main thing, the pen. The fact about this pen is that this works without battery. That means we don't have to charge this pen. So let's keep this box aside and let's take a look at this tablet. On the back of this box we can see that we can write our name and here is the QR code and some instructions. On the front side of this tablet we can see there is a grid and this light which will glow when we will connect this to our PC. So the size of the tablet is length 8.3 inch, breadth 5.7 inch, width 0.3 inch and the active area, that means the grid area, is 6 inch into 3.7 inch. So let us take a look how to remove this lead and add another lead. So first we have to take out this lead remover and put it on the nib of our pen. So you can see that I have put this on the nib of pen and then hold this tightly and then pull it out. So now I am trying to pull it. So now you can see this, the lead is removed and we can add another lead. So take out any other lead from here. And for adding, check that this curve should be outside and this flat should be inside. So now you can see that I have successfully changed the lid. So now I'll tell you that how to use it on your PC. So first I'll tell you that how to do the setup. So first you need to connect your tablet to the PC. Now I have connected my tablet to my PC. Then we have to open our browser. Here I am using Google Chrome as my main browser. Then we have to search wacom.com/start/1. So now you can see that it's written 1 by Wacom. Just scroll downwards. Here it's written that plug the USB cable into your tablet and computer, which I have told earlier. Then we have to download and install the driver. So here I am using Windows, so I'll click on the Windows. So now it has started downloading. Then here step 3 is that restart and follow on screen setup instructions. Let it download and then I'll tell you that how to do the setup. Once your files are downloaded, open your library, go to downloads and run that file as administrator. So here you can see that I have downloaded Wacom tablet. So currently the version of this is 6.3.38. So now the setup is opening. So just accept these license and agreements and it will take 5 to 10 minutes to install. So now it's asking your PC to restart. So now I'll restart it and then I'll show you that how to use it. So now I have shown you that how to set up it. So let's use it. For using it, you can see my screen. On your screen I have opened Paint. There are some button controls in this pen which I am going to tell. Firstly, the lower button is used for right click and the upper button is used for left click. So I'll draw something on my screen. So you can see that I'm drawing a flower. So let me draw it. So you can see that I have drawn a flower. The work of tablet is very good. If you are any professional or you have used this type of tablet before, then you might know that how to draw anything properly on this. So we can also use this tablet in presentations for online teaching. So let me show that. So in this PPT, I want to highlight adjectives of quality. So for highlighting it, first I'll select this pen option on my PC and I'll select the color. For example, I want yellow color. Then I'll use this pen to underline it. So I think the word is here, and now you can see that I have underlined kinds of adjectives of quality and example. So I think this pen is quite good. At last, I would like to say that this tablet is good if you are beginner, and if you have already used any other tablet, big size tablet or medium size tablet, and you are a graphic designer, you should buy any other tablet. But if you are a beginner, then this tablet is for you. And if you have any doubt related to this or tech, then you can leave your query in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get every update from my channel. Thanks for watching.